Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how to delete app cache on iPhone. So let's go to settings first, then scroll down and you will find general option. Go to general, then go to iPhone storage, then you will find here all of your mobile applications. So choose one which you want to delete the cache. Like I want to delete this ones. Go to that specific application, just click on that and you'll find offload app. Just click on offload app, then it will pop up window for confirmation. Offload app again. See your cache is deleted. Now you have to reinstall this application. Okay, so your app will be reinstall again and it will be like new. So guys, this is how you can delete app cache on iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.